how to choose what to capture with single take in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on more. After click on more, you will see single take is here. Click on single take and click on single take. And you will see click on this icon. You will see after click on this, after just click and hold, you will see choose what to capture. So you will see highlighter video. You will see highlight video. So you will see collage. So after watching, go back to home screen. So that's how you can choose what to capture with single take in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.